Good morning. So last night after I finished editing and starting to upload Vlogmas Day 2, I was finally able to get started on my Advent skein from Woolens and Nosh. So this is the second year in a row that I am getting the Woolens and Nosh 24 stripe Advent skein. So they're wound into two balls. They like leave the end poking out. You keep them in this little bag and you don't see what color is coming next. And I was feeling a little sad that I hadn't cast mine on yet because I've just been so singularly focused on the shawl for my Yaya. But so last night I made a concerted effort to cast it on and I'm all caught up with one sock. Another fun little thing is that I actually designed this little illustration for Michelle. So it's very cool. Get to see my artwork on my Advent project. So I've got one sock done. I did start the toe of the second one because I like to have them both going at the same time, and then I just knit like, you know, each stripe is about 6 rows. So just every day knit the next stripe on both socks. So hopefully I can catch up today. I also wanted to show you the update on Yaya's shawl. So this morning I get a text from Yaya, okay? And she asked me to call her and it was not even 8. And I call her and she goes, "Oh my God, I'm so excited. I watched your YouTube." And I was like, "Sin vergüenza, I forgot that you watch." So the surprise is totally ruined. Like, she could have just like not told me that she'd seen it. Whatever. So I started the second skein last night and I'm pretty far. It's pretty long. What I'm going to do is compare it to a shawl that I have already knit and sort of like match the depth because I think it's a really good depth. But it's in the basement right now because I was washing it, so I have to go get it and I haven't wanted to, so I've just been knitting on this. But like I said, the color is so good. That marl is really amazing and it's 100% alpaca. So knitting is happening, we're making progress. It's a very dreary day out, but I'm just very happy to have a like chill morning because it's been feeling very busy over here and I'm ready for some calm, you know? So this is one of my early Christmas gifts, thanks to Cyber Monday. It's just a little treadmill. It's like a walking pad. But yeah, now that it's so cold outside, I wanted a way to just make my walks last longer. So I can take Maple out and then come home and like finish my half hour that I try and do with this guy. So we'll see how it goes. And my plan is to kind of store it under there, like this thing folds down and you can like slide it under. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but new journey. Earlier this week, Kay and I made plans with my cousin to visit the Monticello Antique Marketplace. I knew they had decorated for Christmas, and it's one of my favorite places to get inspiration and just browse people's booths. Kay and I first visited during Halloween this last year, and it was so much fun to walk through all of the different decor, all the outdoor stuff. It's just a very, very cool and inspiring place. Each booth kind of in this back area really goes all out. We were having a blast looking through everything. The prices are sort of hit and miss. Like some things are like, in my opinion, very overpriced, and then you'll find hidden gems that are very, very cool. It was very festive. I had a great time walking through, and my niece, who's 18 months, did really, really well given the circumstances. We decided to go out for burgers at a local burger place afterwards, which was also really nice. And now I'm just editing Vlogmas and winding down for the night. Thank you for hanging out and enjoying the other Vlogmas episodes, and I'll see you tomorrow.